Imagine this: Iron Man walking into battle but without his Jarvis AI. Insane, right? Jarvis tracks his every move, scans the environment, and helps him make the right calls. Without it, he's flying blind. Well, that's what it's like when you don't have AI scoring for upsell and cross-sell potential. Your customers are showing you the way, but without AI, you're missing out on opportunities. Customer behavior tells you exactly when they're ready for more, whether it's based on repeated purchases, browsing activity, or interest in related products. But if you don't have AI tools to track these signals, you're missing the chance. moksy.ai lets you automate AI scoring to track your customers' engagement, behavior, and purchase patterns, so you know exactly when they're ready for that next step. Combine Salesforce, HubSpot, and moksy.ai to identify and capitalize on upsell opportunities in real time.